Here's a tour of the Black Lane Railroad crossing. So as a start, we have a Western Coal and Haze base with a WRS, or no, yeah, this is fully Western Coal and Haze. An older Western Coal and Haze gate mech. A pair of, well, 4 pairs of Western Coal and Haze 12x24 inch lights, formerly incandescent, with I think, I don't know what LEDs they showed me. A second gen WCH LED there. I know what those LEDs are. And the gate lights are from, I think, Western Coal and Haze. I don't know. And the bell is a GS Type 3 E-bell. Alright, let's go to the next signal. Just gonna make sure. Oh yeah, and the grade here is concrete. Now, this signal has a WC Haze base with a WRS back box. And the gate mechanism is another older Western Coal and Haze. This time, counter rates are also from Western Coal and Haze. Same lights with those same LEDs as before. And there's differences on this side. Nope, same LEDs. So 3 pairs of WCH 12x24s on a, oh yeah, and the bracket over there is, both brackets over there are WRS. WRS bracket and the Western Coal and Haze bracket. The same gate lights from the other signal. Oh yeah, and the gates, there's the new gate striping, as you can see, with the same LED gate lights. And a Western Coal and Haze, I forget what second or third generation E-bell. Fun fact, this crossing used to have a rare bell sequence where the bell was ring until the gate started to go down. But that GS E-bell runs continuously. So that's an interesting thing to note. Here's track view looking towards Sacramento and some other cities, I forget the names of. I think Chico. This way it's heading up to Redding and Dunsmuir and Klamath Falls and all the way up to Portland. There's also a wayside signal over here. It's a newer UP signal, so I'm just gonna quickly go over and tour that while you're here. So I don't know who made the base of this, but JA backbox or JA box, and then all the LED. These are all LED SafeTran. I don't know what type. But these are definitely SafeTran signal. You can see, I'll just zoom in on the SafeTran logo, just give it a second. Yep, SafeTran. That concludes the tour. This is Black Lane in Cottonwood, California. Adios.